Hi, my name is Dilip. I am representing Zusin India Corporation. Zusin is a home oil maker. Today we have with our customer, Mr. Sai Satish. He is one of our customers since 1 year. Let's hear more from him.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Dilip. I know you for many years. It's been many years.
Thank you, sir.
I wish you all the best of luck for future also for Susan. Susan, when you told me about your product, it really, I never thought a product like that can also exist before you tell me. You just told me it is a kind of an which extracts from seeds and give oil. Now we get all these packed oils. Like, I don't want to mention a lot of names. Whenever we discuss with a lot of healthy habits, oil plays the most important role for the body. You should have an healthy body for the healthy mind. And for the healthy body, you should eat healthy food. And when you eat an healthy food, you should have a healthy oil also. That plays the most important role in cooking and in preparing a kind of a food like that.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, and see, all these foods, whatever food is being prepared, especially in the kind of an Indian culture, you require an oil. Your Susan, to be honest, we are finding, before when I used to eat, I used to have, buying the oil, I used to have kind of a tummy problem, and I used to have, my people used to, in my house, before I use your product, we used to get this packet oil. There was not so much of healthiness you can feel. After using, we use a lot of groundnut oil. That is what we started using, groundnut oil, and this the oil of that. I find it, now preparing, though it is being used of more of groundnut, I don't mind that. But I'm sure I know from which oil is being prepared. I used to have a lot of contemplation from a lot of people saying they mix with a lot of unwanted mixtures and a lot of other chemicals and all those things. I'm sure they could use that, which is unhealthy, and in longevity it could also cause you cancer. But I can see my own oil being prepared, and I'm very happy using that oil for my cooked food, and I'm very healthy now.
Sir, since how many years you are using Zusin cold oil press?
Yeah, I think so. It's been almost 1 year now, right? It's been almost
It's
1
more
year.
than 1 year.
Yeah, I'm very happy, and I
And,
also recommend all the people to go for Susan. And what oil is being prepared in front of you. It is a matter of health, and the most important health is the most important food what we prepare in Indian kind of customs is oil plays the most important role. Your oil is being prepared, and you can see your own oil being prepared.
And what are all the oils you are extracting from Zusin cold oil press?
I've used, I used this flax seeds, because people told me flax seeds is very good for healthy. Of course, flax is very healthy. Flax seeds. I use flax seeds oil also, and I use a lot of groundnut oil. And I was just telling my wife just a few days back, we'll also use coconut oil also. Why should we bring from outside? Though it could be little extra of the coconut, it could be, but it's unhealthy. You're unhealthy. Before when I used to, I want to tell you very important. Before when I used to use this oil, I used to feel very uneasiness in my body, and sometimes I feel as if something is happening to my body. But now I don't feel that at all,
Thank you, sir.
because I'm using the natural oil. Oil plays the most important food, and we are basically vegetarians, and I see that kind of the most healthy for each and every dishes we have to use oil.
Thank you, sir. And sir, thank you for your positive feedback about Zusin cold oil press.
It is not positive, it is the fact.
Uh,
Your product is very good.
Thank you, sir. And Mr. Satish Sai Satish is one of the directors of Synergy Innovation.
Synergy Innovation.
It's a Singapore-based company, and
The founder
he
of
is
this
also
company, the founder of this company is also Mr. Peter Lim. He's from Singapore. He's the founder of this company, and I'm one of the directors of Synergy Action.
And he is also
Secretary
secretary at Karnataka Boxing.
Secretary of Karnataka Amateur Boxing.
Oh, okay. And he is also core committee member at Fire Safety
Association of
of India.